right here, we got a new door for this bedroom. What I got here, ARTT hinge router template. So it's gonna pretty much help me route out these places for the hinge. That's gonna be a whole lot easier. Actually, this goes like this, so I gotta flip that bad baby that way. I already made my marks. Got one right here, one right here. We just gonna line it up. Tighten that bad baby up so it won't move. I wish I would've been had one of these. What I used to do before is just really just mark those, and then I'll take my router right here and just put it down in here. But with this template, it's supposed to make it easier. All right, got that nice and tight. I lined up approximately where it go. And then I'm gonna do this bottom half the same way. See, I got my marks right there. So what I did, I just measured really what was already there. The latch should match up with it too, but we will see. That says for 3 to 3.5 inch to 4 inch thin hinge, and then for 4.5 to 5 inch thick hinge. So router depth gauge. So what I can do is put my router right here, and then I can adjust it, which I'm about to do. And this kit actually came with, this right here is a special drill bit. Hook that up to your drill. What it do is it'll push down and make you a perfect hole right in the middle of the hinge. Cause if you just do it freehand, you might end up with a hole over there to the corner. Might be over here, but sometimes it's like almost impossible to get it perfect. Look at that, they even gave a Phillips and a flathead bit. Includes hinge template, carbide tip router bit, self-centered hinge bit, a double-ended screwdriver bit, original manual. So they actually gave us a router bit too. Where that boy is? So I need that. I can use that. So I can't find that router bit. I'm gonna go ahead here. I already got one. Here we go. We're gonna put it right there because our hinge is actually a thin hinge, and it's actually 3.5 inches. So right here on my router, I got a little knob right here, and you can twist this here. And what it'll do, it'll move the router up and down. So you can see I'm twisting it and it's getting closer and closer and closer down. And there's actually little gauges on this Milwaukee router right here. So probably set it to 3.5 and then it'll probably be perfect, but we're gonna use our little gauge right here just to make sure. So I'm gonna keep twisting this down here and bam, there we go. I think that's about perfect. So once we got it there, close my little latch. Then this boy ready to be routed out. I'm gonna go grab my safety glasses real quick and get to it. Make sure I'm on the right side. Let's get to it.
You can follow them because I'm going the other way. Chasing after paper, trying to redirect the way. I'll just make my own while y'all trying to follow ways. Bet it make her scream when them dreams ain't far away. Think she in a dream and you can see it on her face. Seen that money stream, now baby, that's my type of way.
I probably should have had a mask on too. I'm gonna put my mask on. I ain't trying to breathe in none of this crap. But go on and look at that. Template, man, that's perfect right there. I don't think I ever freehand that boy like that before. You got it perfect. Hinge right here. Bam. There we go. I gotta notch this a little bit over here. It's a little hump right there that's stopping it, but yep, that go like that. And guess what? While that being right there, I'm gonna put this on my drill. The drill bit goes on my drill. And then what this will do is go inside this hole right here and whoop, push right down. See how that got a spring on it? It's gonna go right down and give me a perfect hole right there in the middle. So our hinge could be perfect. See, I got my hose plunger down. What I did was line up my hinge. Bam, see how those right there in the center. And what I did was took my drill right here, put inside that hole and plunged them straight down. Boom, boom, boom. So now I'm about to get ready to drill these up. Let's hope this door hangs the right way.